we got the shift boot. It's got a pretty good tear in it. I already got the shift knob off. Put one of these Crown Royal bags on it instead. Got the stereo removed. Now let's work on getting this whole assembly out. So I managed to break it a little bit in the process, but it's a cheap beater car, so I'm not going to stress it. So we're going to take these 4 screws out, and we'll start modifying one of these crown bags. Alright, so now we got it out. Let's take it over to the bench. We'll start tearing this all the way out. It's got some staples. We'll have to figure out how to mount the Crown Royal bag, but I think we're looking pretty good. Got it completely removed. I've got all the staples out, and I'm just deciding whether or not I'm really concerned if the Crown Royal logo is upside down or not, because it's a $300 beater card. I don't know how pressed I am on that. So I think we'll go ahead and cut the bottom so the Crown Royal is correct, because I've got another bag just in case. But so I got it cut, stretched over, stapled in, pretty haphazardly, but I think it'll be good. So we're going to put it in here real quick, and then just kind of see how it looks. Alright, I actually like the way that turned out. It's not nearly as tall as a factory boot. That'll be okay. Should make it a Rust Pit custom here. We ain't going to complain too bad. Alright, so now try to do this with one hand. Pull the new and improved shifter boot over, lift that up, set that down. I've got a plug down there. I'll plug the hazard light back in, the clock, and then when I get that done, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, we've got the entire bezel back together. So now I'm going to try to scoot this up as much as I can, and then we'll just wrap the extra around so that way it looks like super high class for my dumb redneck ass. So that's what we're going to start with. Just spin the shifter on, get it to where it needs to be, right there, as high as she'll go. Just do the one side, like that. Looking good. Like that.
Got them running, but they end up in the grave. Got 99 souls, 100 more. I'm a plate. I'm serving to death. I drop this bitch. Kill them all. No one's doing this like me. That's why that they really wanna try me. 100 songs locked up, shit's frightening. Better drop them all. Give a fuck about the timing. Little revive with the brand new bitch. Only Halloween vibes, and you know I never miss. I just let them all be, cause they ain't gotta like this. Yeah, I live it up, but I never asked to exist. Yeah. Bad moves when I walk in, they don't want the darkness. Yeah. Face on gun blood, let them rest in peace. Think it's time I invest in me. Meet the whole damn team. Like the SCP. Not a day when the please don't speak. I know that you want it, try to hang it up, but then you pull me out the coffin. Got the devil flows, now they begging me to drop it. Now I'm taking over and there ain't no way to stop it. Saying like, I don't need fame, bitch, I'm way too